And to remove this splash guard for the driving belt, so this just plug into this plastic, so this side is okay. And there's another, I think another 2 or 3 fixers on this side of the splash guard, so you can see there. So we have a fixer over here, and we have another one there. So to remove them, we can use a screwdriver to turn them. So we can use a screwdriver here, get into one of them, and we can just turn. Just turn. Just turn. And they will be out. So do the same for the other one. Now both sides out, so we can just unclip the other side here. So just take out like this. So this is a lip inside.